Hello everyone, and let's get started. Find the Reminders app and tap on the new reminder at the bottom of the screen. Give it a name and tap on the eye icon on the right side. Further, you can add notes, and provide a URL if that's needed. Next, you can provide the date and the time. You can choose if the reminder is repeated or not. You can choose the interval of repetition and when you want the repetition to end. You can choose to repeat it forever, or you can choose an end date for it. You can add tags if that's your thing. You can add location access, and then it will remind you like when you are leaving the house or getting in the car, getting out of the car, or getting into work, anything like that. It will also remind you when you're messaging someone in particular, which is very helpful sometimes. You can add flags. You can prioritize your reminder. You can add your reminder to particular different custom lists. You can add a subtask within the reminder, and you can even add images. You have to press done afterwards and it's saved. Now we'll try and set a reminder for laundry at 9 every Tuesday and Saturday. Open the reminder app, choose new reminder, typed in laundry, pressed I icon. Now I'll write the notes. Then choose the date, which is next Tuesday. Then I'll choose the time, which is 9 o'clock. And for repetition, I'll choose custom. Frequency will be weekly, and it will be every Tuesday and every Saturday. And my work here is done, I think. Yes, it's done. So thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel.